Hey guys, welcome to another Solopreneur finance tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up 3Commas crypto trading bot. So we are going to head over 3commas.com and or 3commas.io, and then we are going to create an account within the platform. So it is going to be very simple to create an account within the platform. You're not going to be obliged to put a credit card or something like that, but you're going basically to have the dashboard. As you can see, I have created my dashboard. Now what are we going to do basically is to head over the dashboard, and we're going to click on start new bot. You can go ahead and have here the creation of the bot, or you can go ahead and verify the signal bot, DCA bot, and grid bots if you have already created some. But if you're going to set it up from scratch or from the beginning, you're going to head over to dashboard, select the choice of start new bot. Now we're going to see bots and manual tools. We're not going to have manual tools, but we have instead we're going to select bots. We have the DCA bot, signal bot, and grid bot. Now, the DCA bot, it is going to be considered as the best in the market. As you can see, it is going to be labeled. So you are going to decide what is the best bot that will suit you. If you're going to have a DCA bot, signal bot for example, if you are going to have maybe a trading session in XM or Binance, not Binance, but especially the XNES, if you know it, and other trading apps or platforms, can go ahead and create a signal bot. So you're going to have some strategies, webhook signals, and etc. to have everything set up in place. We have also the grid bot, which is going to help you capitalize on every market price movement by adapting to any price level range. And these are going to be very necessary. So let's say that we're going to create the signal bot. I'm going to click on here. Basically, you're going to see the use cases of the signal bot that you are going to create. And you can see here that it is going to have the trading view indicators, the buying scripts, strategies, and etc. So when you finish seeing the key features, and if it is going to be interesting in you, you're going to click on take a tour. After that, you're going to have the tour to the specific signal source. Like you can see here, we have a custom signal or trading view strategy. You can go ahead and have here another, let's say here, direction for the specific set. So I'm going to skip the tutorial. I'm going to let you see here the signal bot. We have the main one. You can have also a video tutorial about it. You can go ahead and visit it anyway. So as you can see, we have the alert type. We have two. We have the custom signal and we have the trading view strategy. Now, both of them are going to be having a upgrade plan because we are going to be on the trial. As you can see, we can go ahead and put a name for it. The exchange, for example, for the specific the demo account. Here we have a demo account. The pairs, as you can see, we have the Bitcoin to USDT or something like that. We have the direction, which is going to be long, reversal, or short. It is going to be up to you. Then you're going to have the maximum investment usage. So you can go ahead and set up the USDT per bot or the total percentage USDT balance per bot. After that, you're going to see that we have a signal alert set. So you can go ahead and have the trading view. As you can see, we are going to have it in here. This is the trading view. So you're going to get the details or detailed amount of the signal, and also the statistics about all the stocks that you need to have, also for the Bitcoins or etc. Then you can go ahead and set up the order settings like the volume per order, the order type like market or limit, the webhook, message for entry, order signals, and the options. So you can go ahead and activate the exit order for a specific volume. You can set up the take profit for a specific also target, and the stop loss is going to be set up for something. As you can see, it is going to be here programmable, and you're going to have it right there. When you finish, you're going to update or upgrade your plan, and you're going to get the bot. For the DCA bot, it is not going to be the same, but you're going to have a entry order, as you can see, an exit order, and also the advanced settings for each one of them. So each one of the cases, like the main, the entry order, and etc., or the exit order, are going to have video tutorials, so you're not going to be lost. Do not worry about it. So if you do not understand what I am saying, you can go ahead and head over the tutorial videos, and it is going to have you some details implemented in here. So we have the name, as you can see, the exchange, the bot type, single pair, multi-pair, the profit currency, Ethereum, USDT, and the pair. You can go ahead and have it right there. So the direction, short or long, and also you can have some data market insight in here. So before setting up everything. The entry order is going to be having a base order, also the start order type, the base order size. As you can see, the averaging order, you can activate it or deactivate it. The trade chart, as you can see, conditions, you can have them right there for QFL, CQS, and etc. And here you have it. These are going to be things that um, going to be well known for the not the professional but the advanced to a professional trader. So if you're going to be a beginner, it is going to be crucial to see the video or the tutorials about these specific sections, and also you need to learn a little bit about it. So that was pretty much it for this bot or DCA bot. Now we are going to head over the grid bot, and you're going to see that it is going to be something like that. This is on the demo account. You can go ahead and switch to a real account, and then you're going to have the grid set up everything for you. So you're going to have the grid for it. So you can go ahead and set it for a pair or strategy. You can select the pair and strategy if you are going to have the rising one, the stable. If you have set up every bot of yours, and let's say here maybe set up a DCA bot, a grid bot, or something like that, you can go ahead and head over the control panel and visit the overview of them. So you are going to see the asset lists, your accounts, and also from the overview you're going to have the DCA bots, as you can see, control panel, and the DCA trades. This is going to be only for the DCAs. Basically, it is going to be adaptable to the type of bot that you have created. Now for the portfolio, it is going to let you see here the statistics of your bots, the statistics that you have won, for example, or lost. And do not worry, if you're going to need the demo account, it is going to be given to you to simulate the Binance Spot account. As you can see, you can go ahead and click on start trading, and then you're going to loosen up, or let's say here, unleash your bots in here and see if it is going to have a good strategy or not. If yes, you're going to switch up to a new account, which is going to be your real account, and then you're going to have set up everything. So as you can see at the top, we have the demo account label. You can go ahead and deactivate the demo account by clicking on it, and this is the real account, as you can see. So this is going to be very simple to have the switch between the demo and the real account of yours. After that, you're going to see the terminal, which is going to be the specific short for the from Binance, as you can see from the each one of the currencies, not the currency, but basically the tokens that you have chosen. And finally, you have the marketplace for the bots. So if you want to copy a bot, you can go ahead and head over the marketplace and copy each one of the bots, because they have some statistics, and each one of the statistics, the more positive, as you can see, percentage that you're going to have for the profit, the more that means that the bots are going to be good. These are going to be the trading or bots for Binance. You can go ahead and have them for OKX, HTX, and they haven't found or put some robots in here, but here we have it. So you can see that we have the bot signals and etc. And you can go ahead and create or copy a bot. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.